Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to explore another way of using XLOOKUP, and this time we're going to have like multiple criterias. Alright, so we have been given this data table from HR, and let's just look at it. So it has a list of employees, the names are appearing right here, along with the department they have worked in and on which day they were working in that particular role. And it also has their manager. Now, let's just follow Angelina for today's video. So she started, when she joined the company, she started her journey with finance. Then in 2020, she moved on to tax department. And there, first she was having Henry as a manager. A year later, she got promotion. And now she also had like a change of manager, and now her manager is Monica. So the result that HR wants is that they are interested in the employees and the current department they're working in and who their managers are. All right, let's just dive right into it. So XLOOKUP, and you know the drill, we have the first argument as lookup value. So we're going to click on employee name because that's our first lookup value. Now, because we have two conditions, right? Because we have name of employee and the department name, we're going to join them together with ampersand. And let's just click on the second condition, which is the tax, the department name. All right. So in a similar manner, we're going to do a lookup array by combining both the different columns of employee name with department name using ampersand. Let's just do that. So lookup array, and that's our first array, which is employee name. Let's just fix that. F4 ampersand department name, F4 to fix it, and the return array is easy peasy, which is the managers, and F4 to lock it. If in case the formula or the function encounters an error, we want the result to be blank. The match mode is 0 for exact, and let's just close, enter. All right, now here's the thing. It has recognized Angelina working in tax, but it's showing the manager as Henry. If you look at it, her current manager is Monica, and that's what we want. We want the XLOOKUP to look at the last to first, because by default, both VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP do a search from first to last. So if you have the name appearing for the second time, it's not going to give you the second latest manager, it's going to give you the first one, right? So we do have a nice feature built into XLOOKUP, and that is the search mode. So let's just open this formula right here. If you recall, I told you that the match mode by default is exact. In similar manner, the search mode by default is first to last. All right, so if I'm not going to type anything in here, it's going to just do first to last search, right? Now I'm going to modify it and choose the option of last to first search. All right, how do we do it? Simple XLOOKUP, same motions, employee name, ampersand, tax name. Lookup array is employees, F4 ampersand department name, F4, and the return array is same manager, F4 to fix it. In case of an error, just leave it empty. Search mode, match mode is 0, and now for the search mode, we're going to click on search last to first, right? So, and enter. Let's just autofill, and there you have it. So Angelina, if HR wants to know who was the first manager that she was reporting to, that's Henry, and who is the recent or the current manager, then that is Monica. All right, I hope you find this video to be exciting, and let me know in the comments down below if there is anything else that you would like me to explore and dive into, or if you have any further questions on this video. Stay tuned until next time. Much love. God bless. Bye. Well guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, until next time, stay tuned. Much love. God bless. Bye.